Good morning. My name is Mandar Chandrakant Zambotkar, and I am an alumni of KK Polytechnic. I passed out in year 2000. Currently, I own a software company in Nasik. I have a team of around 20-25 people, and we are working into industrial IoT, Industry 4.0 applications, and other iOS Android apps development and software services and whatever. My company's name is Acme IT Solutions, and today I am doing well, and I want to thank the pioneer of my career, pioneer of my education, the institution KK Polytechnic. Let me tell you beforehand that I was not an very intelligent student, nor I was of the toppers category. But the best thing that has happened in my life is I was fortunate enough to have gurus in my life. To name a few, I still remember the incident. The very first lecture was of Katkade sir, and still I don't know these days, but there was an impression in the society that all those who don't get admission to science after 10th, they go for diploma, and that's why diploma was not much appreciated, at least when I took admission. So, but I always wanted to become an engineer. Why? Don't ask. But when after taking admission, after seeing people's reaction that what are you doing? Diploma. Acha. So my morale was down, to be honest. And the very first lecture was of Katkade sir, and in that lecture, like usual, we were sitting like this, and Katkade sir addressed us that be proud of yourself. You are engineers. Engineers is not a simple thing. Engineering is not a simple thing. You are amazing guys. And by the end of his lecture, we all who were down with our morale, we were sitting like this, and we were inspired. So thank you so much, Katkade sir, because that inspiration in that first lecture has truly helped us rise in our career. Second thing is of Gaikwad sir, a very strict professor, but basics of C were taught by him to us. The fundamentals were taught. At that time, there was no .NET that you press dot and you have options. There was internet was not so common. We have sustained because of fundamentals, and thank you so much, Gaikwad sir, because of good C fundamentals. During my engineering, I was able to write 2-pass, 3-pass assembler, not as a part of the semester, but I wrote that entire assembler right from scratch during the practical exam. The external examiner was also stunned. He was probably thinking that probably I must have copied or something, and I challenged him that you can ask me anything, you can remove any piece of code and I can write again. Of course, professors knew that I have written 2-pass, 3-pass assemblers during the semester, so they mentioned it to him. He was amazed. And here the thing is not to boast that I wrote it. I want to thank Gaikwad sir for making our C fundamentals so strong. Kshirsagar sir in the lab, ही यूज टू स्कोल्ड अस. अरे एवढं येत नाही तुला, किती वेळा तेच तेच सांगायचं. बट because of him, electronics became interesting. The only thing that I want to emphasize here is it is very difficult to find such staff these days. These days it is a part of that, okay, I have completed my syllabus, now it is responsibility of the students. If they do well, they pass. If not, they repeat and stuff. No one is bonded. And after 20 years we share the same bond with our staff. The moment we see them, we feel like touching their feet and take their blessings, and it is coming right from the heart. I would like to recommend Kekewak Polytechnic for anyone who likes to do engineering by his heart. You will find the best staff in the world, best gurus who will help you define your career by your terms. Thank you once again to everyone at my college. I love you. I admire you.